You may recall that on the 30th of October 2023, during that hearing,
on 30th?
30th of October 2025,
Yes.
this Honorable gave IPOA the go-ahead to recall some witnesses and also summon other witnesses. Among these witnesses was Meshach Gitonga. That is, his service number is 97.
Yes.
He's a police officer attached to Kamukunji Police Station. He was required to appear in IPOA today in the morning for a statement recording and then appear in court today for his evidence to be taken by this court. These summons were duly served on the 24th of March 2026. That is 2 days ago. This morning, this officer, Meshach Kidinji, has failed to honor that summon. The NPS communicated to us through its representative who is seated here in court, saying that Meshach is ill and therefore he cannot attend at IPOA's offices for his statement to be recorded, and therefore he cannot come to court this afternoon. Your Honor, as we speak, there is no medical certificate that has been provided to IPOA. Further, there are no any medical notes that have been provided to this court to substantiate this claim that, in fact, Meshach Kidinji is sick. Your Honor, this excuse by Meshach Kidinji and the NPS is not only convenient, but it's highly suspicious. It's suspicious to the extreme, Your Honor. Yesterday, Your Honor, immediately after we finished the hearing, this NPS representative who's seated here explicitly stated to me that I'll talk in Kiswahili there. The exact words he told me is,
Your Honor, if you allow me your kind permission, but unless counsel is willing to take oath and actually now give that particular evidence, will be objecting to that line of submission.
Your Honor, maybe counsel can let me finish what I have said, and then the court can decide how we can proceed. Your Honor, as I was saying, this NPS officer
will end up in an he said. Unless it is going to be put on laws, it's going to be a problem.
Mr. Makori?
I didn't want to delve into the issue of whether Corporal Gitonga is sick or not, given that there's nothing that we have been shown or given in court. But I'll give him the benefit of doubt. Okay. But as the counsel for IPOA is saying, because they are the investigators, we are also apprehensive that there is a deliberate move to either to delay this inquest. We don't know for what reasons, but we are all on the same page. We only want to find justice for Rex Masai. But I'll leave it at that for the court to decide.
Mr. Tenge, maybe you can proceed on other issues. You've indicated the information given to us is highly suspicious. Then you can proceed to other issues. So that we don't have a ping pong.
Well, Your Honor, the purpose of my submission is that the NPS indicated to us that if this officer falls sick at night, he's not going to appear today for his statement recording and also not appear in court. How is it that just 24 hours later, this officer is again sick? You know, Your Honor, this appears to be a meditated. It was actually premeditated that he will fall sick at night.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to interrupt the court. You have counsel submitting on issue of facts.
Okay.
And that's what we are saying, but unless he's actually willing to take oath and actually submit on the same, and then we can cross-examine.
Okay.
Your Honor, this specific statement was said to me in front of my colleagues.
Which is okay, you can take oath.
Mr. Tege,
Yes,
I
Your
think because of the issue of sickness and Mr. Makore indicates he'll give the benefit of doubt, can we go to another issue so that I'll give directions?
Very well, I believe that is all.